Hello and welcome to this Trinity use case introduction. In this video we will present the Trinity use case wire arc additive manufacturing with industrial robots. This use case has been developed by the Arctic University of Norway. It is the third largest university in Norway and the northernmost university in the world. My name is Haldor and I'm working as a researcher for the Arctic University of Norway, and I will be presenting this use case for you. This use case is called wire arc additive manufacturing with industrial robots. This use case uses an industrial robot to perform automatic welding, where simulation software is used for configuration and programming. The same system can also be used to perform wire arc additive manufacturing, or WAM for short. This again means that the system can be used for 3D metal printing using a robotic TIG welder. For the upcoming lectures, it is recommended to have experience with programming and also configuration and programming of industrial robots, as well as welding equipment. Additionally, having experience with simulation software, such as visual components, will also be beneficial. For the next part, we'll go through the benefits of the modules in the use case and why this use case should be implemented and where it can be implemented, as well as talking about what investments have to be made to be able to implement this use case. Thank you for watching this Trinity introduction video.